Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful, brand new, incredibly high-tech Wonder of the Seas. This particular category is an A2 two-bedroom AquaTheater Suite. Now I'm going to go through all of the incredible amenities and the space, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this amazing suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com or reach out to Harr Travel and one of our experts will guide you through the process. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and of course, get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, I mentioned amenities. You truly get all the amenities Royal Caribbean has to offer when you're sailing in Star Class. It's going to start with unlimited Voom internet, one login per person, the unlimited beverage package for every passenger, the unlimited dining, and prepaid gratuities. But the best amenity of all is, of course, your Royal Genie. They're here to grant your wishes, and you'll be connected with them before you even arrive, so they know exactly who you are, what you're looking for, and along with them and your Harr Travel advisor, we can help maximize the value of your vacation. Now let's tour this beautiful space. Now we've started in the living room, but I'm going to head around the corner first to show you the entryway. So as you walk in the entryway, you're going to have a backlit mirror here you can use to get ready before you head on out. And you also have a little nook here. I always like to leave my key so I don't forget it. Now, as we head into the second bedroom, I just wanted to point out that this is one of my all-time favorite features. It's the door. I love the idea that you're going to have that extra level of separation, whether you're traveling with two couples, a family, or a multi-generational family group. It's a perfect fit for so many. You can fit up to 8 in this suite, and 4 can be right here in this room. You've got the 2 bunks that'll pull down, you've got twin beds here, or they can put them together for a nice, extra comfy, large bed. There's plenty of room underneath the bed for storage, and on either side of the bed, you're gonna have 2 US plugs that you can utilize for charging. They also have reading lamps on either side and up above for the bunks. Directly across, you're gonna find this vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got storage on either side, and then you have more storage underneath, including this is where you're gonna find your hair dryer. For that, you have a Euro plug and 2 US plugs in addition to 4 USB chargers, so you have a great charging station as well. All underneath here is more storage. You've got the first of the large flat panel TVs. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now over here, you're gonna find your hanging storage. So you've got shelves up and down here, and then on the other side, you're gonna find those extra comfy Royal Caribbean bathrobes and room to hang your clothes. Now you're gonna have 2 bathrooms in this suite, which is fantastic. And I love that it's here in the hallway. So of course, those in the second bedroom can use it. And of course, if you have any guests or family members coming over, they can utilize the restroom without heading into your personal space. Let me show you what that's all about. As we step in here, you've got beautiful decor. You're gonna have quite a bit of space for storage up and down. You've got those highly upgraded Malin and Getz bath amenities. You've got a toilet tucked in the corner, and you have a really nice large shower. What I love is it's even big enough for me. I can get in there and move around just fine. You've got more of the upgraded Malin and Getz bath amenities in addition to your adjustable shower wall. As we head into the master bedroom, you're gonna find that you have a door here as well. I love that you can shut that off for privacy. I love traveling with my family, but if everybody has their own space, it really does make a difference. You have an entire wall of storage here. Over here, you're gonna find quite a bit of shelving units. You've got your safe, perfect size for a small tablet or a small laptop. And then in here, you're gonna find hanging storage all the way across and a shelf up above. You've got more of the same over here, including a couple mirrors to get ready. Now, right in the middle, you're gonna find your king size bed. It's that highly upgraded Dux mattress. You're gonna love the linens, the pillow menu. It all comes together to a fantastic sleep experience. You've got a nice little bench seat on the end, and then on either side, you're gonna have nightstands, 2 US plugs, and 2 USB plugs for charging. Right here, you're gonna find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got a nice large mirror to get ready, hair dryer in here as well, 2 US plugs, a Euro plug, and 4 USBs. You've got storage on either side with the drawers and storage up above as well. Now, directly across from the bed, you're gonna find yet another large flat panel TV. Once again, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, or you can stream or watch live television. And just underneath, a bit more storage. Now, as we head into the bathroom, you can see you have a nice large vanity here, storage up and down with the shelving units. You've got a plug for a razor, and then a bit more storage underneath. You've got the toilet tucked in the corner, and then right here, you're gonna find your shower tub combo. I love that they have that. I've traveled a lot with my family. Having a bathtub is a huge benefit for anyone, including those traveling with kiddos. You've got more of the upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities, the adjustable shower wand, and you've got a glass shower door instead of a shower curtain. Now, as we head into the living room, I wanted to point out this control panel here. So of course you can control the air conditioning and things like that, but you can also do that from your phone. You're gonna wanna download the Royal Caribbean app before you arrive. In fact, I recommend you use it for check-in. You can take pictures, scan in your passport. It makes it really seamless, but when you get here on board, you can utilize it in your room to unlock the doors. You can also utilize it for air conditioning, lighting, and my favorite, you can use it as your room key. I always manage to leave mine in the room, and I love the idea that I can log into my phone and go ahead and unlock the door. Now, I mentioned that you can sleep up to 8 in this suite. This is where the last 2 guests would stay. This is a convertible couch. It's extra comfy. Got a nice reading chair over here and a coffee table in the middle. You've got your large flat panel TV. Once again, it's the 3rd one, so you have 3 different zones in here. You've got plenty of storage underneath here, along with your fully stocked mini fridge. Of course, you're gonna coordinate with your genie even before you arrive, so they're gonna know exactly what you need, what you expect, so they can grant your wishes and take the entire experience to another level. It really does open up the entire ship and all the experiences on board for you. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker over here in the corner. I start my day at home with an Italian coffee. I love that I can do that here on board as well. You're also gonna find a full dining room table. You can have all your meals right here in your suite or out on the balcony. I'll take you there in just a minute. I just wanted to point out in the corner there, you have 2 large sets of storage, so anybody utilizing this as a bedroom has their own space as well. So now we're out on your private balcony space. It's a ton of space, and one of the signatures of the 2-bedroom AquaTheaters is the fact that you have multiple different zones outside. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Around the corner here is where you're gonna have those extra quiet side-facing views. You've got an entrance from the master bedroom there. You can imagine maybe waking up a little earlier in the morning. You come on out, you can sit here with these extra comfy chairs with ottomans, have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, or maybe a cocktail in the evening. Or once again, anytime you want a nice, quiet, private space, this is perfect for that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue walking all the way around the balcony. So you have my favorite views on the ship, which of course are the aft-facing views. And from there is where you're gonna find your dining room table. You can have all your meals out here, maybe a snack. Of course, the genie can arrange for that for me. I'm gonna be having sushi here every single day. You've got 2 nice large loungers here, so you can pull them out into the sun or keep them in the shade if that's your preference. And as we head around, we're gonna find that 3rd zone, which is really the AquaTheater zone. You've got a bar top here with 2 bar stools. You're looking directly down at the AquaTheater, so you can check out the incredible shows. In fact, the diving platform is up a little higher. You get an up-close view of that. The pool down below. And of course, they're gonna do first-run movies, Super Bowl. This is a dynamic space. You have a social space here, great for people watching and watching the shows. And as you wrap around, of course, you have a nice quiet area as well. You can see why so many of our guests love this particular suite. It's one of my all-time favorites. Now we have the larger version of this suite on our channel as well. If you want to check that out, that's the A1 Ultra Spacious 2-bedroom AquaTheater. We also have the Royal Loft Suite and the Ultimate Family Suite, which is incredible if you're considering an upgrade. Now, when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com and reach out to your Harr Travel advisor. We're happy to take care of all the details so we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.